guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I will be showing you my detangling routine. This video is in partnership with Tangle Teezer. Now it has been almost 1 month since I've big chopped my hair, and now that my hair is shorter, my regimen and things that I do to my hair are a bit different, so I just wanted to show you guys that process. So I'll be using this Tangle Teezer naturally curly brush, which is specifically made for those with naturally curly and coily hair, so hair types 3C to 4C. It is made with this nice slim handle, so it's easy to grip. And then I will give you a close-up and show you the patented 2-tier teeth that are on this brush. So the shorter teeth are to help smooth the cuticle and reduce frizz, and then the longer teeth are to help detangle, remove knots, and also reduce breakage. So I love this brush for my hair, and I'm going to show you how I use it. Now my hair has already been washed and conditioned, but I still need to go in and detangle to make sure that my hair is prepped and ready to be styled. So with this brush, you do want to work in sections, so that's what I'm doing now, just parting and sectioning my hair off. So I did one section in the back, and now at the top, since my hair was split down the middle on both the left and right sides, I will split those sections in half. So altogether I'll have 5 sections. So now that my hair is sectioned, I'm going to spray the first or the back section down with water. This brush is designed to be used on wet hair, so if you're not detangling in the shower, you do want to make sure you have like a spray bottle of water on hand. And then I will just add some of my leave-in cream to add some moisture, also help aid in slip while I detangle, and then I'll show you how I use the brush to detangle. Now using my Tangle Teezer naturally curly brush, I'm going to start detangling from ends to roots. So just starting at the ends at the bottom of my hair and working my way up. And yeah, it's very easy to do, especially now that my hair is shorter. So just starting at the ends. Sometimes I do have to go over the same part multiple times just to get through any tangles or knots, but then I just continue to work my way up, and you guys can see it's just a breeze. This brush is so gentle, but it still, is firm enough to get through my curly hair. So once I finished detangling, I just split that section in half and I put 2 twists just to get the hair out of the way and keep it stretched so that when I go to style, my hair is still nice and detangled. So now I'm just going to repeat those exact same steps to the other 4 sections. So I spray my hair down with water because, like I said, this brush is supposed to be used on wet hair. Then I'll add my leave-in cream, and then I'll begin to detangle from ends to roots. And I'm going to keep this in real time so you guys can actually see, in real time how easy it is for me to detangle my hair with the Tangle Teezer naturally curly brush. So I went ahead and detangled the rest of my hair off camera, and it was very quick to do, you guys. This process did not take long at all. I also did not get a ton of shedding. So after I clean my brush, I am just going to fast forward to the finished look. I went ahead and twisted up my hair, so this is the twist out. I love the results. I loved the detangling process, and I love this brush. So go ahead, click the link down below, and make sure to get your hands on your own Tangle Teezer naturally curly brush. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in another one.